Mũndũ mũrũme ũyũ ũrĩa tũkũheretwa John Karanja wa Gĩthua atũraga aririkanaga ũtukũ wa tarĩki 17 mweri-inĩ wa kenda mwaka wa 2022 rĩrĩa marĩ hamwe na arata ake macemanĩtie gwĩkenia kĩrabu-inĩ kĩmwe taũni-inĩ ya Naikuru na rĩrĩa andũ ana mokire metha-inĩ ĩrĩa marĩ.
So we were drinking. Then later on the waiter came and requested me if I can pay my bill. Then I told the waiter that yes, I can pay the bill. Then he told me that I paid the bill. He insisted, of which I paid the bill. I don't know the reason why he was insisting. I paid the bill. After paying the bill, he requested if I can give him my phone so that he check on. He wanted to write a code. So I gave out my phone. He wrote a code, and after that, I think the waiter saw the balance I had. So from there, he went and came back with some people. There were like around two ladies and two guys. Then he brought the ladies, and he gave a space where we were sitting.
John na arata ake matiatindanĩire na andũ aya ona kana gwĩciria marĩ na ũndũ o wothe mabangĩte, no thutha ũcio macokire kuonio ngangambute.
Feeling uneasy because the alcohol was not the way we were. It was not tasting the way we were doing it before. So one of us decided to go to the car because it was feeling strange. Another person left. So I was with my friend. Being that I was a visitor there, I was with my friend because I couldn't move or go because we were going. I was going to spend on my friend's house. So my friend was playing pool and coming back to the table. So by the time I started feeling weird. Then I decided to tell my friend I decided to ask my friend if he can leave the place. And when we were leaving, those ladies came to us that they want to live with us. So we asked them, why do you guys want to live with us? Then they told us that they are going the same direction with us. So we decided to give them lift, of which after reaching the junction where we were branching, they decided to start commanding us.
Mĩeri ĩtatũ thutha wa gĩko gĩkĩ, John na arata ake matirĩ mahota gũkũrana ũrĩa gwathire ũtukũ ũcio magũire mũtego-inĩ wa gwĩkĩrĩrwo mũcere ũrĩa wamũtigire hatĩka-inĩ ya gĩkuũ, kuona aiguire thutha wa mathaa 14 aiyĩtwo ciringi 580.
I had like 3 phones. They took the 3 phones. Then after that, they took my watch. I had a smartwatch which is 30K. They took that smartwatch of mine. And they withdrew all the money that I had in my M-Pesa account and the money that I had in my account as well. Then at the same time, they decided to Fuliza from my phone. Then they did M-Shwari. Then they did M-Pesa, KCB M-Pesa.
O gũkũ Naikuru mũndũ ũngĩ tũtekũhithũria ũrĩa nake tũkũheretwa Sam no anyuithĩirio kageri-inĩ gaka mweri-inĩ wa 10 mwaka mũthiru thengia wa gũkorwo gatagatĩ ka arata ake ndanyuaga njohi kuona nĩwe warĩ atwarithie ngari.
Some 2 ladies seated next to us wakauliza if they can join the table. We were like a group of 6 guys. We didn't see any problem. Wakajoin the table. Personally nilikuwa nacheza pool, so I could go nacheza pool, I come back to the table, sip my drink, go back. Sometimes I could carry my glass naenda nayo. So out of the group, one of us akasikia kulala, which is unlike him. Akakimbia kwa gari akalala. Tukaendelea.
Sam nĩ akinyire handũ akĩmenya kũrĩ kĩndũ aheo no ndahotire kwĩhatũra. Acokire gũtwara mũhiki ũyũ gwake nyũmba na mbica-inĩ cia CCTV nĩkuo onekire akĩmũiya na agĩcoka kwĩigua etharĩte na indo ciake.
Sikuwa nasikia nashindwa leo na I've not been drinking. What's up? Because I was doing water and energy drink. I don't remember. I think nili lose memory at some point. Sikukumbuka ni nini ilikuwa inaendelea. Venye niliamka nilijipata kwa nyumba. That was around 11, considering I left the club at around 4 in the morning. So venye niliamka nikiangalia everything in the house is scattered. Vitu kila kitu iko everywhere. Nikitafuta simu sioni simu.
Wahota gwĩciria wĩ mũndũ mũrume rĩrĩa wĩ kĩrabu ũngĩthema ahiki nĩ ũndũ ũngĩkweherania na ũgwati wa kũheo mũcere ũtekũmenya njama ici nĩ iragiritania nginyagia arũme.
Sasa mahali nilikuwa nakunywa, kulikuwa na mwingine hapo pia alikuwa nakunywa yake kidogo. Tukaanza kupiga story kwa sababu nilikuwa peke yangu, ambapo baadaye nilizidiwa, akachukua simu zangu, akaweza kulipa bills bila consent yangu, ambapo alinipeleka hadi town, akanipeleka tena klabu ingine. Hapo ndio bonza mwenye anafanya kwa hiyo klabu aliniona na kuulizia huyo jamaa kwamba sijawahi ona huyu beshtangu akiwa hivyo.
Aya marutaga wĩra ũyũ maratuĩka mambaga kũrora andũ arĩa mahana ta marĩ na mbeca, kĩndũ kĩmwe mahũthagĩra rĩ kũrora ngari ĩrĩa waingĩra nayo kĩrabu. Nĩ njama iratwarithio nĩ ekinaĩ manyitanĩire na aruti wĩra irabu-inĩ na ene matuka ma kwendia ndawa arĩa imaramari o hamwe na arangĩri. Ahiki arĩa marutaga wĩra wa kwĩyendia nĩ mahũthĩkaga mũno wĩkinaĩ-inĩ ũyũ wa gwĩkĩrĩra andũ mũcere ta ũrĩa amwe ao gũkũ Naikuru matũtarĩirie.
Uchezaji ukiwa peke yako unakutaga unacheza pamoja na mawita haya na masoja wa gate. Juu kuna room zingine uwezi kaingia na jamaa utoke peke yako. Huyo mwenye kumuuzia huyu waiter ni anakuambiaga enda kwa jamaa fulani, pini yake iko hivi na hivi na balance yake nimeona iko hivi na hivi. Enda uongee na yeye bora ujue yangu. Sasa wewe ukienda kwa room, manake huyo unaweza kamwekea kwa bar ishindikane, inabidi umpembeleze muende na yeye kwa room, ukimuingiza box. Akiingia box unaenda kwa room, ukiingia na yeye kwa room uwezi katoka juu room mingi siku hizi uwezi katoka peke yako, inabidi utoke na mwenye umeingia na yeye.
Dawa ĩno ya kũgonia andũ na ĩrĩa ĩbatiĩ tu kwendio kũrĩ andũ arĩa mandĩkĩirwo nĩ ndagĩtarĩ ĩtagwo Zolpidem na ĩhũthagĩrwo kũrĩ andũ arĩa marĩ na thĩna wa kwaga toro.
A dosage ya 10 milligrams ya Zolpidem should be able to induce natural sleep for around 8 hours. Yes. And it takes effect probably after an hour of use. That's why a lot of people who've been drugged, they always say they were lucid for an hour or so or 30 minutes, then they don't remember what happened. And in many instances, the people who are already using alcohol together with the drug, the effect kicks in a little bit faster, and the effects of the drug are more exaggerated.
Hiyo ukiwekea mtu, hiyo hata akagi, inakuwa smart. Kidunga mtu, inakuwa smart. Unaweza kaisiaga, kama hataki kunywa pombe yenye umemwekea, unaisiaga unamwekea kwa kusha. Ama unamwekea kwa kidole, unaiweka asifu kama mafuta, unamnyonyesha kidole na unanyonya yake. Wenye wako na ugonjwa ukimwekea inaweza kamzidi nguvu. Kama watu wa sukari ukiwawekea ni mbaya, si mzuri juu ama watu hawa wanakuwa na pressure.
Nĩ mũtego andũ aingĩ na nginyagia amwe marĩ na igweta mekorete makĩgwĩra na kũiywo mbeca na indo cia mũigana wa mbeca nyingĩ. Gũkũ Naikuru ciĩko itanyihĩire 4 cia andũ gwĩkĩrĩrwo mũcere nĩ iribotetwo mweri-inĩ ũyũ wa Dithemba, borithi makĩũria andũ gũthiĩ na mbere kwĩhũga na mũno ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩa mambura ma thigũkũ.
We already have some cases which are already in court. We have several cases which are already still pending in court, as you know. But you see, these people, once they are taken to court, the following day they're asking for bond, they come out. And the next weekend in the next club, if they were here, and you know, because it's a big circuit, it operates between Nakuru, Nairobi, Kisumu, Eldoret. They keep on rotating wherever they can get money.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.